Hey guys, how to create custom 404, 403 pages on Hostinger, aka Arrow page. So first of all, go ahead to the official website, make sure that you buy the best plan, and if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website. First, what you're gonna do, you can customize your website's Arrow by accessing websites and then manage, and then search for Arrow pages on the left sidebar and click on it. There you can edit each error code page separately by clicking edit and entering your own HTML code. Alright, you could go to each domain like 404, 400, 401, 403, 404, 500, right? And you can also restore to the default error page by clicking reset. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.